Networking peripherals. Hub switch. What is Cat6 cable? Cat6 is a standardized twisted pair cable for Ethernet that is backward compatible with Cat5 5E cable standards. Like Cat5e, Cat6 cables support gigabit Ethernet segments up to 100 meters, but they also allow for use in 10 gigabit networks over a limited distance.
Which is better between Ethernet cable 23AWG and 24AWG? When connecting an Ethernet cable to any device, you must consider its AWG specification as it aids in determining the performance, speed and range of coverage. Ethernet 23AWG is perfect for connected devices that are physically distant from each other, while Ethernet cable 24AWG offers a high performance speed to connected devices. Despite the excellent quality in both Ethernet cables, the Ethernet cable 23AWG is a better choice as it is flexible enough to accommodate various devices that are not close to each other. It also contains high-quality copper material and offers high-performance rates. What is crimping tool? A crimping tool is a device used to conjoin two pieces of metal by deforming one or both of them to hold each other. The result of the tool's work is called a crimp. An example of crimping is affixing a connector to the end of a cable. For instance, network cables are created using a crimping tool to join RJ45 connectors to both ends of Cat5 cable. What is RJ45? The 8-pin RJ45 connector is a standardized interface which often connects a computer to a local area network. This type of connector was originally developed for telephone communications but is now used in a range of applications. The abbreviation RJ45 stands for Register Jack 45. There are multiple pinouts for RJ45 connectors including straight through, crossover, rolled, T1, and loopback. Straight through is the most common type of cable and is used for connecting your computer to your network. Pass-through connectors allow for the wires to feed through the connector for easier alignment. The excess wire is trimmed during the crimping process, providing a quicker and more efficient experience. They are usually a little more expensive than other RJ45 connector options on the market. Non-pass-through connectors work with most standard crimp tools. Some Cat6 have insert guides within the connector to help guide the conductors to the end of the connector. It can be a hassle at times aligning the wires correctly, especially to customers who have not crimped connectors on Ethernet cables before. They will be the most cost-efficient option for RJ45 connectors. UTP cable P5 6/8 pin assignment. White orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. Take note that pin 1, 2, 3 and 6 are used in Ethernet, while pin 4, 5, 7 and 8 are not used for Ethernet. Cable tester. A network cable tester is an electronic device that measures the conductive between two ends of a cable. It also checks and measures signal for correct wiring.